in the early times of the quantified self, we're going back to literally 2008. Before that, but that was really, I think, a moment where people were very interested about tracking all sorts of things around, like whether they're walking, their heart rate, their diet, multitude of different things. And it was very interesting, but it kind of got put slightly on the shelf. And I think it was partly technology that wasn't really up to speed with it. But I think there's also just the amount of linkages and challenges. Now is that with the two evil words, AI, and I think with this change of mindset of actually the value of being able to link up things, it's a really interesting moment now where, in my view, quantified self is going to have its kind of like 2.0. So how we had like Web 1.0 back in like the mid 90s. And I used to work at computer shops, so I know it very well, of like that Windows 95 sign that was just kind of like suddenly prevalent everywhere. And oh my gosh, there's a GUI, a graphical user interface. I can actually click on a folder and you can go into a program. And I think it's similar now with the quantified self. What's going to happen is, because you've got these individual apps such as Whoop, and there's like some really good ones that are starting to emerge, with like kind of Zoe, where you can get right to the source of the information.